want to show the world this. Yo. Western Union. At the Western Union line, this, you know, people taking this. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you know. A China man, you know. Village reporter taking the Western Union line, people. Taking the line of people. Police are all involved. Police. Yo, my general. Your people. Western Union line. Look at this. Police. Poor people, something, you know. See me there. Check out these people. Check out these people. Yeah, history this daddy. Yeah man, I am the village reporter, you know, China man. Yeah man, China man, the village reporter.
Yes. Big up. I mean, yeah.
What's this all about? What them line here for?
Well, this I just some little money thing. You know, see, I'm gonna collect some money and just go back away and go nice. Where you say?
Yeah, you mean, but I love to get to a little change. You know, see, and the little money where the government said they're going to run?
Yeah, I like how you do it. You know?
Okay, me general, I eat. What you say, Natty? Yeah, I must see you down here. I must see, are you all one there your face? No, but we don't want no ugly face by our phone. You see anybody else that cuss, you all one a cuss. Alright, girl. See it there? Yeah man, at the Western Union line, it's a little money where poor people forget, you know. Officer, how do? Everything alright? Everything alright, boss? Okay, them are peace officer, them have to hold the peace and they are with everybody. What do you think about Wagwan police? Yo, they can't tell me from do this. Yeah man, I mean them called village reporter, you know, but just do something man, send it off. See there? Western Union line this daddy. Good afternoon, Spec. How are you today, sir? I want to speak off for one of them, you know. You think I play with them, then can you lock me up for the show? Legal man, watch the Western Union line, people. In Portland, watch the Yo, my general, mad up. Yeah man, I show the people them what I go and show the world. Look here. See the Kentucky there, you know, the Western Union up there. So. See the thing. That's how the thing set. Look, the cool people. Yeah? Western Union line this, you know. What do you think? Kentucky them people are come? Them people are come for their little money.
Yeah, but they come for the money to organize themselves.
What you think happen? What am I going with?
No, when they come for money, they organize, man, they can't go and let them a food.
Yeah, like them a go down the thing. Okay.
They use the slave master business too much.
Okay, my general, I hate people, but just showing a little thing what going on. So people come for their money. Excitement in a Portantonio town to the people. Seeing the people them come for them little money. Yeah man, a China man, you know, village reporter I tell you. And I take it to the world. Seeing daddy, see it there. Yeah, Portantonio, West Street me there. See me? And I have to catch that piece here to the world. Yeah. I love everyone at the mass. So you know if you know you want to take Coronation Bakery. Then we stand up. See there. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself now the bakery. Oh you mean? Mad. I hit this. Seeing daddy? Mad. Chat to the item again. Seeing? Me have a next report for me, but I'm not ready yet. Look out for me. Side? I hit. Huntress Marina.